Let's keep it rocking for the Lollywood freestyle that Marissa Harlett inspires me with the bombastic beat because, yes indeed, you can't compete with the Marissa Harlett Townsend capabilities, baby, so pack the stand. Get up, dance a little bit, unwind a little bit, cause yes indeed, Lollywood freestyle here to represent you and all of you impact and success. Dean Marissa Harlett brings us all together, local cold, hope and believe now, because this is heart and soul now. What I got left, and there ain't much of it, because yes indeed, I bring my heart and soul, truth and honesty to my story now, because yes indeed, Marissa Harlett inspires our beautiful minds now, because you know me speak to your voice is gone. Love what you love and love it with a passion, because you never know when this life might be ending. Because yes indeed, her new movie, Mrs. Marvel, yes, I love all her success. Inspires my beautiful mind that Lollywood freestyle, this is how it goes down, because she inspires the beautiful crown of the queen of queens. Because yes indeed, I love you, you keep me lean and clean. So cheers out there to another day. We get to love, appreciate Marissa Harlett in every single way, because no matter the obstacle or the bullshit of life, Marissa Harlett brings it together with his bombastic beat that makes love. Close my eyes and all the pain, all the suffering goes away in my happy magical place where love dreams can coexist. So thank you, Marissa Harlett. Thank you, Pakistan. Love my family, and you know I'll be here to be a voice to you till the very end. Lollywood freestyle.